Good evening, everyone. My name is Michelle Davis. Today I will be covering Chapter 11 on reconciliation and how appraisers develop a final value opinion based on principles discussed in the chapter. Reconciliation is where the appraiser evaluates each classical approach and decides which value is most credible. I learned reconciliation is the final steps in the appraisal process. After completing the sales comparison, cost, and income approach, the appraiser reviews all value indicators and decide which one is the most credible. In addition, the key idea is that reconciliation is based on judgment, not averaging numbers. Chapter 11 explains that each of the three approaches has a different perspective, and buyers in different markets rely on different information, so reconciliation is essential. The appraiser's job is to determine which approach best reflects how typical buyers and sellers behave. During the reconciliation process, the appraiser evaluates the quality of each approach, taking a look at how reliable the data is, how much adjustments were needed, and how relevant the approach is for the property type. In addition to what's happening in the market, a stronger market evidence means greater weight in that approach. For example, a single-family home in a neighborhood with plenty of recent sales will lean heavily on the sales comparison approach, while a newly constructed home might rely more on the cost approach because replacement costs can be estimated accurately. And for the income-producing property, the income approach becomes the strongest indicator because buyers base decisions on rent and return. The final value opinion is the appraiser's single best supported conclusion after interpreting all the evidence. After evaluating the three approaches to value, the appraisers form one final value opinion. This is the single number that best reflects the market evaluations had. It's not a calculation, but a supported conclusion based on the most credible evidence available. In summary, reconciliation is a credibility test. It identifies the most reliable value indicators and connects all the analysts into one well-defended final conclusion. Reconciliation also determines which approach is the strongest and leads to the final value opinion. Thank you guys for watching. I have also included my references, Huber and Messick, Real Estate Appraisals, Principles and Procedures, 5th edition, 2025, Chapter 11, pages 345 to 353. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.